And the snow still falls, and it's after midnight. Yep. We've got quite a bit. Yeah. This thing started January the 6th and is going to finish out, or supposed to finish out, by today, January 7th. So we have approximately, according to the meteorologists and some people nearby, we have about 8 inches on the ground. And from what I looked at in the forecast, we've got a big warm up coming. So this thing isn't going to stick around probably no more than tomorrow or something, and it's going to be gone. Yep. I'll try not to make this too awfully long because, like I said before, Facebook doesn't want to upload anything that's no more than so many, like 2 or 3 minutes or something. But I'll cut this pretty short. Yeah, this is what it's doing. I would expect it to stop by now, but it's not. All right. Later, Gator.